gonna stop it, do some videos, and make a margarita, of which there'll be a video eventually. Well, I try to figure out the salt problem. Let's see if we have any materials to make it. Oh my God. All the materials to make a margarita out of my car all set up. I can't believe it. So when you're camping, you have to improvise a bit. I have this spray water bottle. I'm actually just going to spray. Outside of this cup and start blowing away. Come back here. It's so anxious to be rimmed with salt from here that it blew away. So once again, I'm having a class, that's why we're using this. These have sentimental value. Now the salt is incredibly packed out here. As far out, that's why it's okay to drive on it. So I'm going to hold the glass and kind of scrape the surface a little bit. And there you have it. Also magically loaded. Whoops, it's hard to do with one hand. The magic squeezer. Okay. Juice from half a lime. Next. Ooh, another unforeseen technical issue. Hold on. So I haven't used the Grand Marnier in a while, and as I was trying to loosen it, I cut the cord, but with my American ingenuity, or not ingenuity, whatever, I used a line opener that I have to pop it open. Wow, that guy's going fast. Now, I'm sure you can see it. Big Grand Marnier. I never measure. I got some decent tequila for the occasion. That's just the start of the show. Fill it right there. So 2/3 of the cup's full of ice. So far, just liquor and some lime juice. And then top it off with some of this. Not the best mix, but the best mix they had here. Quick, gentle stir. Okay. Now, I gotta set up my chair. Nothing like a perfectly made Cabo Wabo margarita with freshly mined salt that I mined myself from right under my feet. I want to use up all this salt. I got a lot of drinking to do. I need some people to join me for some margs. Now there's nothing left for me to do but sit here, enjoy my margarita and the view. Perfect. Can't help but feeling that you're on a lake and you're gonna like break through the ice or something. And the further away from you get from shore, the more dangerous it is. But it's obviously not.